Good day, this is Aka Jesus TV, and I'm doing this video to appeal to the decision made by YouTube that my channel was unable to monetize because of reused content. And on the screen is my channel URL. Well, I want to say this clear that all video in my channel are my videos, and they are not copyright videos. So I think YouTube made a mistake by not monetizing me, classifying that my videos are reused content. Okay, this channel is a political channel. We discuss political news, majorly on Biafra news. We talked on little entertainment and little on sports. Okay, so I I am saying this that my channel is do not upload anybody's content, and I'm ready to face or challenge it legally in the courts. All right, so these are my videos, and everything on this channel belongs to me. So I have a lot of video here, up to 1,000 video, but let me just explain the first 5 here so that you will see everything that I'm doing here. All right, so the first video you see is Biafra video, Biafra news, latest Biafra and IPOB news online updates. The second one is latest update on Nnamdi Kanu, Biafra latest news. So what I do is this: I use my sound recorder. When I use my sound recorder, I record my voice and attach the picture of whatsoever I want to do using Power Director. Okay, let me show the Power Director how I do my video. Okay, sometimes I also use my phone camera to make the video. Okay, video the content and also upload it using Power Director to edit it. So this is Power Direct. I will just click on new projects. When I click on new project, I'll put my video name. For instance, I put it Aka. I'll use 16.9 16 ratio 9 to do it. Then it takes me to where I will edit the video. That is where I am now. So all what I will just do is since I need an audio to do it. All what I will just do is simple. So I will select the picture I want to use. For instance, I want to use my own personal picture. For example, I will use it like this, and I will expand. So when I'm done with the picture, I will select the audio. For instance, I want to use this audio, so I will just select it and I will add to it. That is just all I will do. Then I will start pounding. I will start processing my video. Okay, that is just all. So I'll start exporting my video, and exporting I use produced like this. Okay, so it start exporting. All right, start exporting. As you can see, this is how I produce my video if I'm to use audio and voice. But if I'm to use word and video, it appears on my work. Yeah, okay, let me just go back so I can show you one of those things I video. Let me just look for something I video so I can use it as an example. This is what I video, for instance. So I will just pick it and put here, then I will process. So that is how I do my video. Every video you see on my channel are my video, and if anybody claims copyright of it, ownership of it, I'm ready for a legal action. Once again, please review the channel and monetize my channel. Thank you.